it's fine if I just leave it like this.
Okay, it's up to you. However you feel.
It's fine.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
I'm trying to open it so it doesn't hurt you. And then we're gonna push it down. Ready? Go, push it.
But like, see how she's got her feet in the air?
Alright, so
We're trying.
Tiffany's trying to.
I'm trying to reenact this pic.
Who are we here with?
Tiffany Taylor.
Tiffany Taylor M3 G80 go crazy, baby.
Slow Fast, that's my car name.
So what happened was that we raced?
And then I beat him.
Nah.
He told me to just leave the car because he was embarrassed, so he's like, just get off the bike.
Opposite, guys. That's not what happened. What happened was that I got the shit out of the M3 and I told her, pull up. We're gonna make a video.
He doesn't want to admit it.
Nope. So
Okay, guys. I have proof.
she's a little shy. Normally she's a very big yapper, but right now
I am a young.
shy. Yeah, you've been shy.
I've been shy?
Yes.
Well, my hair's fucked up.
Okay, she had been fixing her hair for like 30 minutes over there, guys.
It's literally like, look at this. He didn't tell me to bring a ponytail.
Hey, do you have like something like to tighten your hair for right now? Because if not, your hair's gonna get all like tight.
No, I didn't bring a rubber band.
Nothing? You wanna go get one?
Do you think I should?
Yeah, I think you should.
Okay.
Because I don't know if it'll take you like a whole week to like straighten it out and like, because it's gonna get tight, right? Yeah, right?
Yeah. But I feel like it's fine if I just leave it like this.
Okay, it's up to you. However you feel.
It's fine.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
I told you your hair's gonna get tangled. We need something. You need to like pick it up or something. But she didn't have nothing with her.
Yeah.
So we just roll with it.
But you
and now,
live and you learn.
yeah, now we're here at like a cool little spot and our hairs are fucked up. Like my hair, I still got the helmet on, but once I take it off, guys, I am fucked.
It's gonna look worse than mine.
Oh yes. Yeah, my hair is curly, so it's gonna get really bad.
I'm about to walk in there with some messed up hair.
Hey, at least we got helmets so they understand, right?
Yeah, but like, look at this.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at this.
Big tangle.
Damn, I don't even know how to fix this, guys. This is
fun to brush later.
Oh man. Okay.
Let's just cut it off.
Wait, Tiffany, we gotta talk about you. Introduce yourself. Oh, you kind of did.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
I thought you were from somewhere else.
Where?
Didn't you move from somewhere else to Los Angeles? Oh, you've been here?
Oh, I've been here.
Oh, okay.
Wrong girl.
Nah, chill. You can't say that on camera. Don't say that shit.
Okay, we're gonna cut.
Alright, hey, wrong girl. Alright, restart. Okay. We're leaving that on there because we were up. Alright, Tiffany.
I'm from Los Angeles.
Okay, she's from
I'm
LA.
from the Valley, but I moved to out here.
Damn, she's a Valley girl. She got the accent.
No, I don't.
You definitely have an accent. I'm sorry to tell you. Guys, if you are from out of state, I'm sure you guys hear some type of accent with her speaking. That's definitely a Valley girl accent.
State.
Yeah, because there's people out of state watching this and they're probably like, what the fuck?
Like, oh, she sounds like she has an accent. Maybe if they were out of country.
Okay, Tiffany, how old are you? What the fuck, girl?
Just kidding.
Alright, I'm still older than you.
I'm pushing 30.
We should be, guys, at this age, we should be like settled already, having kids.
I know. Married.
Everybody, we're behind right now, guys.
If we had kids, we wouldn't be able to do this.
Yeah, oh no, I'm still doing that shit. Fuck my kids. I'm still riding, guys. The Jigsaw 1000. I'm so sorry, baby. I am not choosing kids over you.
The bike comes first.
Yeah, buy cars, they come first, and then the child, and then the kids.
Yeah.
Ethnicity, because I feel like people are probably wondering, like, where are you from?
Ethnicity? I am Mexican, Italian, and Vietnamese.
Mexican. I see the Mexican.
You said I sound
yeah, I see the Vietnamese a little bit, her eyes.
Really?
Yeah, and then the Italian, maybe because, I don't know, somewhere in there. Definitely don't. No. And how was the ride though? Did you like it?
Fine.
We did a little bit of canyon.
Yeah, the canyon.
The canyon was a little fun.
Like,
was such a nice explosion. I'm sorry, the motorcycle's not for everybody. You gotta have the cojones. Wow, this ride right here is like the best. I remember opening up this thing here before and at night, like it was, you can't see anything. There's like really bad lighting. He's just going with it. It just feels beautiful though, guys. Oh my god, an explosion is something else. Oh, and it got cold. Wow. We got the beach right there. And the GoPro is still rolling. So where I'm from, it is hot as balls. It's like a valley, so we're surrounded by canyons. Over here we're next to the beach. So the temperature just changed. It was like a good 20-degree temperature change, I swear. And I'm only wearing a little t-shirt, so I already know I'm gonna be cold as shit. I was gonna go really fast, but you know one thing, I felt like you were going opposite. Normally you know how you're supposed to go with me
When you turn?
yeah, you were kind of, I felt like you were going like opposite.
I was leaning with you.
Hell no. I was going like this and I felt your head go this way. Poof. Like a little head come out from the side.
Every time we lean, I would lean with you most of the time.
Yeah, okay. Well, I did feel like I was able to like lean the bike, I'm not gonna lie. There is some chicken strips in there, but not too bad, guys.
Chicken strips?
Chicken strips is like when you lower the bike. Oh look, it's all the way to the bottom.
What is a chicken strip?
So people that don't really ride canyons,
Yeah.
they don't really move the bike. So this line, you see this line right here?
Yeah.
They'll be like all the way over here, because they only use this portion instead of leaning the bike. So like the posers. So we
call it chicken strip because they're chickens.
Yeah, well it's like just there's like strips that come out right here on the side of the tires.
Yeah.
And you can see them, and they don't kill them, you know, because they don't really lean the bike.
Yeah.
So you could tell. But we're good though.
Okay.
We're not posers, guys.
So when you lean, I have to lean in with you.
Yeah, you kind of gotta lean with me, and it's kind of like you gotta go motion with the ocean.
I was doing a good job.
We gotta work on it just a little bit.
Wow.
All right. Other than that, I think it was good.
Yeah.
It was great.
A fun ride though.
Yeah, it was fun.
I'm gonna be sore. I'm gonna be sore. I'm so light that I have to hold on so tight or else I'm gonna go flat.
All of a sudden, when it got cold, I just felt you go. Whee!
Yeah, because I got cold.
It is cold. It is cold.
I was like, good thing I brought a jacket. I almost did it.
Damn. And I have just like a little shirt, nothing crazy, some pants, and that's it.
The helmet matches me because it's just, black.
Oh yeah, show us your outfit today. Blacked out.
All black.
You're definitely blacked out, huh?
Yeah.
Like emo-ish.
Oh.
Me too. I'm kind of emo.
Nails are black.
You see, that's what made it more emo than nails. Yeah, I saw them. Let me see. Show the camera.
These are my nails.
Doo-doo.
Black.
Definitely emo.
Not emo.
Like alternative rock.
Yeah.
That's what you're going for?
Even the emo band.
Yeah, like alternative rock. I like the boots.
it?
Yeah, I like the boots.
Okay.
They go hard. They make you like 2 inches taller.
They're not even that much. They're Doc Martens.
We're just rocking the simple Nikes, because we're shifting, so they mess up. They kind of messed up. Huh?
I like those.
Yeah, they kind of mess up a little bit with the bike, but
It's okay.
it's all good, right?
Still look good. Okay, let's go
Alright.
get some soda.
Yeah, let's go get some water. I'm normally good at taking videos, but I don't know about the pictures.
That's good.
That's actually pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty similar to what we just saw.
Yeah.
Wait, are your hands dirty? Cause the oh yeah, they're pretty dirty. Shit. Yeah, I know. She was touching the rim, so
I touched this.
yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like extremely dirty. But it might be taller than you too, though, and the bike might be smaller. That's a really small bike. Look at this bike. It's a big ass
Yeah,
bike.
this one's tall.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
I can't.
Okay. We could try one more. You want to try one more, or you're done?
No.
Oh, shit.
It's not getting better than what we got.
All right. We tried.
We tried. I mean, there were some good ones.
I think there was some good ones in there,
Yeah.
definitely. And then just put like even you can do like a filter too and like make it even better.
What if I take one like right here?
Like the side?
Yeah,
Wait, on this side, no?
this side.
On that side? Okay. I'm just like standing right there. Damn, that fucking light sucks. Then you got my shadow. Kinda, yeah. These guys are having the time of their life too.
Grab on tight. The front end just wants to lift up. Ah! Oh my god. Oh man! Step up! Oh shit!